Gonna run to me, where you 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 gonna run to? I said rock, oh lonely day, I said rock.
Thank you so much, Vikram, for showing that confidence. I get to know later that I was looking good. So I'm very happy that somewhere I might be looking good today. And that's all thanks to Vikram.
Amazing. Amazing to hear you. ना मुझे तो थोड़ा सा वो starstruck वाला feeling भी आ रहा है. All right, wow. Please, any photographer can capture this. Please do so. Thank you. All right. हाँ जी, कर लीजिए जल्दी से. Thank you so much. All right. So we also have a token of gratitude for you, for which I. That's very मतलब तीनों क्या सारे talents भर भर के बड़े मतलब कूट कूट के भरे हुए हैं, right? So you know 4 lines, whatever you can, please. और वो जो last में hi है ना वो आना चाहिए.
Very good evening, everybody. What a pleasure it is, and thank you so much for giving us such a warm welcome and a lot of love, because it was our first time as showstoppers, and whenever we do something together as sisters, so really, really happy that our paths crossed today. And for all the Meri Jaan lovers, we should sing together. Yeah. Meri Jaan, Meri Jaan, Meri Jaan. मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी जान आई है जो रात नशीली, इसकी हर एक बात नशीली, तू भी आकर ले नशा, दोनों की मुलाकात नशीली नशीली, मेरे साथ नशीली, तू भी आकर ले नशा, मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी जान Beautiful designers. I'm truly grateful to you, Julia. Thank you so much again for having us.
Firstly, what an honor to be just walking in front of you all. So a big round of applause to all of you who are here to support such wonderful designers. This is the first time that all of us, Shakti, Neeti, and me myself, we walked in front of an audience to support a designer. So this is really special and a memorable one for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. Thank you, Shakti. Amazing. Seriously, I am short of words. You know, you guys are really very humble and very nice. And you know, I'm telling you, आपको social media पे बहुत लोग आपको follow करते हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
गगरी गगरिया भरी गजरी गजरिया बदरी बदरिया गजरी गजरिया
Please put your hands together for Gopi Bear.
Rajasthan, inspired by the hand block printing, and then we digitalized it. And I'm known for my Gota work and creating something that comes from the past, but modernizing to have these beautiful women wear my clothes is a joy.
Yes, I know that you're an actor. You also tried singing, right? If I'm not wrong. You're an amazing singer as well. So would you like to just maybe hum a few, hum a little for everybody? I'm sure there must be fans waiting to hear you.
I am extremely jet lagged. I just flew in from LA. I don't even know what I'm doing here. But she's been dressing me so beautifully. That's why I look like this. Otherwise, inside, I am sleeping right now. That's what's happening. I'm super excited to be here. I love coming back to Dubai every time. Yes, I have started singing as well since a few years. I was just in LA, I'm working on my new album, so there's going to be a lot of music coming as well as my stuff. Another time, right now, I'm just holding myself together for Gopi. It's lovely to see everybody, so thank you for putting this together, whoever has done it. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Elna. So fate is going to make us wait a little more to listen to you singing. Hopefully next time, right? Okay. Alright, so in order to honor them, I'd like to invite on...
शिव सम्भूत भुवि संजात आनंद सुंदर
Again, a gorgeous lineup. Oh my god.
Go through, and they are going through different pressures, and they finally a Devi or a Murti is coming out of them. So they go through different phases of life, and they show it in a different way. Sometimes it will be vented out.
Let's start from that side. Alright, Neha Saxena, ladies and gentlemen, all of you, please give her a huge round of applause. Amazing actress, what a wonderful model. So Neha, how do you feel adorning this beautiful sari?
Bring out the Devis in us, and you actually succeeded because everybody here is portraying a
I think it's completely different from what you were wearing last year, right? So what do you want to say about these designs?
Good evening, everyone. So last year I was wearing this beautiful Turkish outfit, and this time Indian, which is my personal favorite, and I couldn't have been happier walking it for Noshi Chechi. Thank you so much, Chechi, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Tanveer Suresh Eda, for having me here. Thank you, Dubai, and it's my privilege.
Pooja ma'am, oh my god, you know, it's so lovely to see you just like that. I mean, you never age, if I can say that. You're so gorgeous, super gorgeous all the time, right? So again, last year we saw you adorning something completely different from what you're wearing this year. This year is like proper.
Good evening, everybody. Appu kotta toppikara. Eppa kalyanam. I love Dubai. It gives me a chance to come and meet my Malayalam fans. And Dubai is so wonderful. I love coming back here. And I love wearing a sari. There's nothing more gorgeous than a sari. And a sari that is made by Noshi is even more gorgeous. This is a variation of a sari, a Malayalam style, Nayar style sari. And I've always wanted to wear, but look at my hair. Yeah, I feel like a Devi, and I feel awesome walking this ramp, and thank you so much. I hope you all are having a great evening. I love you.
about it.
Was inspired by my trips with my daughter in south of France. It is a single tulip that I photographed in Provence area and created a whole collection on that.
Amazing, Priya. And Urvashi, you're looking gorgeous. What do you have to say about the collection? What do you have to say? What about what you're wearing?
I mean, basically, I started my modeling career with Priya Katariapuri back in Goa. So I worked for her as a model and